In this video, I will show you how to make slides advanced automatically in PowerPoint. So firstly, click on transition. So firstly, click on transition. So firstly, click on transitions. Uncheck on mouse click. Here guys, you can select your own time. Move to the next slide after a content number of seconds. Click on apply to all. If you want to set this default. Also guys, you can change individual. So click that particular slide and you can change a different time frame for this particular slide. So this way guys, you can make slide advanced automatically in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.